Hey Cardano holders, never miss this update, otherwise you are completely in the lost, my brother, because you can see at this time the Cardano price is very badly falls down. You can see here completely decrease all crypto market, not just unique Cardano holder. So what you do at this situation, and what's the prediction kind of coming time there is a chance to them moving upward or not? Let's see. Kindly, before I get started this video, I have one request to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. So my brother, never miss this any second of this update, my brother, otherwise you lost. You can see the last 1 hour update. First of all, see the last 1 hour. I hope you can see here this time they change a curve positive, so it's mean to they are starting moving upward. But I think this is short jump. You can see here, but after this they again fade is down. So you can see here they come to this point. So I think the average will be lost again now. So if we check out, my friend, the last 7 days chart, then absolutely we understand what's going on this time and what's happening if we are cannot hold, if we are, my brother, selling. So this in those days, especially short-term investor, they are starting selling. So exactly this is very big mistake. So I just tell you, my brothers, to don't sell it. Absolutely, if you sell it, they are going very fastly down. So I think you need to wait for a good time. I hope in the price is very high, then you sell it and take a very good profit now. So this time you can see in the last 7 days that average is going to be very good, but after a failed every average will take a jump. You can see here like that. So it's me to the direction is moving upward, and absolutely if you remember the last 1 hour chart, it's absolutely sure 100% sure whether to they will move upward in upcoming time. So you need to wait for a good time. I hope the good time is coming soon, and they will make you rich, man. They will make you a very millionaire, my brother. So this is the just update, my brothers, to don't sell it, please hold. And yes, this is not a financial video, please research personally, but I just give you advice, my brother. So thanks for watching, hope you like this video. Please like this video and subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification.